Whoa, check this out! That massive G-matrix grille on the front is like a diamond shield ready to bulldoze through traffic. It's huge, almost controversial, right? Some folks call it over the top, like it's trying too hard to scream luxury, but damn, it gives the GV80 this bold, mean stare that says move over. Those slim LED headlights slice through the air with an aggressive edge, and the way the body curves down to that fastback rear, it's got this sporty vibe that's either genius or a bit too try-hard for a family SUV. The blue paint pops under lights, wheels look chunky at 19 inches standard, up to 22 on higher trims, and the whole thing sits on a 116-inch wheelbase that's got presence. This is the 2026-27 Genesis GV80 straight out of the US market upgrades, and you need to see what they've done. I'm your buddy spilling the tea on why this Korean luxury beast might just steal your heart or your wallet. Let's dive in. Now, here's the thing. Step inside this GV80 and it's like Genesis said, screw subtlety, let's go full opulence. From the pics, you've got those diamond-quilted Nappa leather seats in black with red stitching that screams performance vibe. They're 10-way power adjustable up front, heated and ventilated, and on prestige trims, they even massage your back after a long drive. The rear seats? Power reclining on higher models with heating too, and red seatbelts add that pop of color. Legroom in the second row hits 38.7 inches, plenty for adults, but that optional third row? Let's be honest, it's cramped at 30.3 inches of legroom. Fine for kids under 5 feet tall, but adults will complain after 10 minutes. The dashboard wraps around you with soft touch everything, burled wood trim and metal accents that feel premium without being gaudy. Well, what's interesting is the Mood Curator. Yeah, it syncs ambient lighting, 64 colors, scents from a diffuser, nature sounds, and even seat massages to themes like vitality or care. Sounds gimmicky? Nah, it's actually kind of cool for de-stressing on commutes. The center console's got those crystal-like knobs for volume and shifting, rotary dial on some, push button on others, and dual cup holders that are 3 inches deep to hold your big gulp steady. Door panels feature Bang & Olufsen speakers, 18 of them on upgraded audio, pumping crystal clear sound. Cargo space? 36.2 cubic feet behind the second row expands to 84 cubic feet folded, practical for Home Depot runs. But it comes back to taste. If you hate quilted patterns, this might feel too busy. Overall, this interior punches way above its price, making BMW's X5 feel dated in spots. Hey, if you're digging this breakdown, smash that like button, drop a comment on your favorite feature, and subscribe for more car rants. Don't miss out. Moving on, the outside of this GV80 got a subtle refresh for 2026, but it's enough to keep it fresh. Look at those images. The front end dominates with that crest grille spanning almost 3 feet wide, flanked by quad LED headlights that are super thin, like 0.2 inches tall for the DRLs. It's bold, yeah, but controversial. Some say it's a ripoff of Bentley's style. Others love how it makes the GV80 stand out in a sea of bland crossovers. The body's 195 inches long, 78 inches wide, with a ground clearance of 8.1 inches. Perfect for light off-road, but don't kid yourself, this ain't a Jeep. The side profile shows those redesigned 19-inch alloys standard, or 20 to 22 inches on fancier trims, wrapped in 265/50 tires for a planted look. Roofline slopes gently, giving it a coupe-ish vibe without sacrificing headroom much, 39 inches up front. At the back, those connected LED taillights stretch across, with dual exhaust tips on the 3.5T that hint at power. New for 2026? The Prestige Black trim blacks out the chrome, grille, and badges for a stealthier edge. Think murdered-out luxury. Colors like that deep blue in the pics shine, but options include greens and silvers too. Here's my take. It's handsome, not flashy, but the massive grille might turn off purists who want something more understated like an Audi Q5. But let's be honest, in the US, bigger is often better. This thing turns heads without trying too hard. Under the hood, peep that engine bay shot with the twin-turbo V6 badges glaring back. For 2026, you've got two mains. The base 2.5-liter turbo four-cylinder kicking 300 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque, now with rear-wheel drive option for better efficiency. Hits 0 to 60 in about 6.1 seconds. Step up to the 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, 375 horses and 391 pound-feet. All-wheel drive only, and you're at 0 to 60 in 5.7 seconds. Both mate to an 8-speed auto that's smooth as butter. Fuel economy? The four-cylinder gets 20 city, 26 highway mpg on RWD, drops to 19.24 on AWD. V6 sips 16.22. Thirsty, plain and simple, especially if you're highway heavy. New customizable terrain modes on AWD let you tweak for snow, mud, sand. Add sport mode and it sharpens throttle and steering. The electronically controlled suspension with road preview scans ahead via camera, adjusting for bumps, makes it feel effortless over potholes. Towing? Up to 6,000 pounds. My opinion, the V6 hauls ass for a 5,000-pound SUV, but if you want razor-sharp handling, go BMW X5. This is more about comfy cruising. Oh, and a hybrid's coming late 2026. 2.5-liter turbo with electric boost for better MPG, maybe 30 combined. Game changer if you're green-leaning. Tech-wise, this GV80's loaded. That 27-inch OLED screen spans the dash. Half gauges, half infotainment, crystal clear at 2560 by 720 resolution, showing nav, media, even 3D car views. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard, plus a Wi-Fi hotspot for up to 5 devices. Fingerprint auth starts the engine and loads your profile. Seats, mirrors, HUD adjust auto. The 12-speaker stereo's fine, but upgrade to Bang & Olufsen's 18-speaker setup with 1,400 watts for concert-level bass. Wireless commands are sharp. Hey Genesis for climate or nav. Head-up displays 10 inches wide, project speed and alerts. Wireless charging pad fits big phones and USB-C ports everywhere. But here's the rub. The touchscreen can glitch if you're gloved, and no physical buttons for basics might annoy old-school drivers. Overall, it's intuitive. Beats Mercedes' older MBUX in simplicity. Safety solid. Standard forward collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist. The road preview suspension ties in, scanning 50 feet ahead to soften impacts. Highway Driving Assist 2 handles steering, acceleration, lane changes on freeways up to 80 miles per hour. 10 airbags including center front. NHTSA 5-star rated, IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus. But adaptive cruise can be jerky in stop-go traffic. No major flaws though, it's got your back. Pricing starts at $59,195 for the base 2.5T RWD. Jumps to $65,245 for Select, $70,095 Advanced, $74,995 Prestige. V6 starts at $77,445 Advanced, $83,825 Prestige, tops at $85,395 Prestige Black. Add $1,500 for all-wheel drive on lower trims, options like third row, $1,800. In the US, available now at dealers, but hybrid hits September 2026, might roll into 2027 models. Trims expand with RWD base for cheaper entry, more third row options. Compared to X5's $66,000 start, it's a steal. Availability? Nationwide, but check stock. Hot sellers in Cali and Texas. Many people complain about the cramped third row, saying it's barely usable and hurts family appeal. But on the other hand, some say the insane value trumps that with luxury that shames pricier Germans. Reviewers rave about the quiet ride and features, but knock the fuel economy and softer handling. This GV80's a winner for value hunters. Luxury without the snob tax. Grab one if you want bang for buck. Hit subscribe, like, and comment below. Is the GV80's bold grille a design win or just overkill?